And so, the trio set off on their great feathered adventure, their wings carrying them higher and higher. As they soared over the towering trees and winding rivers, they encountered a wise old owl perched on a branch. "Who, young travelers? Where are your wings taking you?" the owl hooted, its eyes gleaming with wisdom. Bella, Sammy, and Lila eagerly shared their quest to find the Meadow of Mysteries. The owl nodded knowingly. "To reach the meadow, you must follow the path of the shimmering rainbow. But beware, for challenges await."